Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Now, former national record holder Navasky Anderson is looking forward to competing in the 800 meters, given the season he's had so far, and he's especially happy to have national record holder Tyrese Taylor for company, as he was the lone standard bearer for the men. Denise Waters tells us more.
Navasky Anderson says there's a consistency about this season that he's pleased with and he wants to capitalize on it. Anderson broke the national record twice this year. In June, he clocked 1 minute 44.61 seconds to win his event at the Missouri-run Baltimore High Performance and erased his old mark of 1 minute 44.70 set in 2023. A month later, he was at it again, clocking a new record of 1 minute 44.40 seconds to win at the Sound Running Sunset Tour meet in Los Angeles. That time achieved the World Championship qualifying mark of 1 minute 44.50 seconds. The 2023 Pan Am Games bronze medalist will be representing Jamaica at his third World Championships and will be looking to make amends for his disqualification in Budapest in 2023. Anderson, who holds the national indoor record, made it to the semi-finals in Eugene in 2022.
This is something I look forward to because I've been preparing all year, been running 144 consistently, and I feel like I'm ready to put all those performances together, to get what I've been working for and looking towards all year. So I'm just really excited to see how far I've came, to see the fact that I can put my body to another level. That's really interesting, and I'm just gearing up and getting ready to execute.
But Anderson's record didn't last long, as national champion Tyrese Taylor broke it, clocking 1 minute 43.74 seconds for bronze at the NACAC Senior Championships in August, also achieving the World Championship qualifying standard.
Tyrese is not here as yet. He still has school, but I'm pretty excited for this new venture for the 800 meters. I'm pretty excited to know that I have Tyrese here with me as well in the coming days.
He says the athletes in the camp are settling in nicely and he's encouraging Jamaicans to throw their support behind them.
As it relates to the vibe in the camp, it's nothing but calm, cool, energetic. Everybody has been really focusing on getting ready for their specific events or relay practices. But everyone is really focused, ready, and we're ready to take on Tokyo 25 and the World Championships this year. So show your love, show your support, and the athletes are here. We're going to do our best to represent Jamaica.
The Tokyo World Athletics Championships will run from September 13 to 21 and can be seen live and exclusively on TVJ, TVJSN and OneSpotMedia.com with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Our coverage starts on September 12. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.